So why are you required to do forklift inspection?
Most forklift accidents happen because of simple inspection mistakes. Missing one small step could cost you your machine, your job, or even your safety. As a forklift instructor and operator, I've helped hundreds of drivers spot problems before they turn serious. Today, I'm going to walk you through a complete forklift pre-use inspection, step by step. We'll do it in two parts, the visual inspection and the functional inspection. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to perform a full forklift pre-use inspection. Spot hidden dangers before they cause accidents. Let's jump in.
Quickly wear your gloves and walk in the front to start your inspection, and make sure you prepare yourself to do a walk around, because from where you start is where you finish. So make sure your fork are straight, no crack, no burn, and they are locking together. Move to the next section, chain and guard. Make sure your chain, there's no leak, no crack. Make sure they are tight, both are tight. Pull out a bit, your hoses, your chain, they are tight. You are looking for cracked leaks. Move to the next section. Make sure your tire has enough air, solid fill of air, no cut. Your bolt are tight, no loosen bolt on your tire, because it's very important. If you have no good tire, you cannot operate the forklift. Check your frame, no crack. We are looking for crack, leaks as we are checking. Make sure you can easily go step in your forklift. Check the other tire, the back tire, bolt, tighten, no loosen, fill of air. Your tire is fill of air. The back, make sure your back light, there's no crack on your back light, they're working properly. Your mass area, counterbalance, nothing wrong, no crack. Then the other frame, you're almost done. The other side, the other frame, make sure your frame is solid, no leak, no crack, no damage. Your tire is full of air. Check your bolt, well tight. And then we are almost done, your frame, and then we finish where we started. Check your front tire and we are done.
As you can see, we have done with visual inspection. And what is visual inspection? When you are inspecting the machine, you are looking for things that appear on your eye, broken or leak. That's what we are looking for when we are doing for visual inspection.
Remember at the beginning of this video, I said there are two parts of full inspection, right? Well, the visual inspection is only the first part. Next, you must check if the forklift functions properly before you start driving. In the next video, I will show you exactly how to perform a complete functional inspection, including steering, brake, horn, and more. After that, you will be fully ready to operate a forklift as a pro. Click the link below next video now, and let's continue your training. And don't forget, in the description below, you can download a free forklift inspection checklist to help you every day on your job. See you on the next video.